broken. You see me empty, glasses turn the bottle in my head. I'm feeling dizzy, but you never fucking listen. Gotta jump to your conclusions. I've been heading in directions where I end up getting bruises. That's what the truth is. I just wanna spin you round and round, let slow. Get you drugs on love like mine. Might wind up and steal a couple kisses. Get your digits if I can find a line. If you don't do that, baby.
Do you want me to go ahead and put these away now?
Yeah, go ahead and just put all of them away. Damn, where you get them from?
What? These?
I like them. That's why you over here doing your little thing, huh?
Alright guys, I got the famous Amazon leggings that are going around on TikTok, and I'm going to get my husband's reaction. They are as amazing as everybody says. They make your butt look really nice, so let's see.
Damn, just leggings, huh?
What? What? What?
You don't know.
Can you help me?
Yeah.
What? Why are you looking at me like that?
I like her pants.
You like him?
Yeah, okay.
Are you sure? Why? What do you like about him?
Look good.
Huh?
I look good.
You sure? Why are you looking at me? What?
What?
Why are you looking at me like that? I like him.
No, I do.
You like him?
I'm fucking broken. You see me empty, glasses turn the bottle in my head. I'm feeling dizzy, but you never fucking listen. Gotta jump to your conclusion.
Okay guys, I really ordered these real TikTok leggings. I'm so excited. I just got them in today. So I'm gonna put these on and see if I can get a reaction from my husband. He's at work right now, so it's gonna be a little late before I can continue to do this, but let's see how they look. Oh my God, look y'all. Oh wow.
I left home, and he was home when I got here.
Foreign attacks on the U.S. Proxy.
You wore those for Walmart? You wore the, they no damn, huh? What? You wore those to Walmart?
What's wrong with them?
There's no damn what's wrong with them. You can't be doing, you can't wear those out.
We're a man
I thought with my, that tractor coming.
You guys, I just got the Amazon leggings, and I'm gonna record Joe's reaction, so stay tuned.
Why are you wearing that? What?
I ordered the famous Amazon leggings because I just had to see it for myself. Let's try them on. Are you kidding me right now? I'm getting these in every color. TikTok never disappoints. I'm gonna get Christian's reaction. Babe!
Yeah?
Do me a favor, come get me this box. I can't reach it.
I'm doing something.
This one right here. Grab it. Grab that box for me. Grab that. Babe, stop. Grab that box. What are you staring at? Grab that box. Babe, the box! The box! Grab it!
No, I got a box.
Grab me the box! I need the box! I need the box!
Oh, it smells good in here. Oh my God.
What?
I love them. I love them. Where did those come from?
Amazon.
God, can you Amazon yourself some more of them?
You like them?
I love them. Mmm.
Did you just take a picture?
Mmm. My hands are cold.
Hey! What?
The garage door, I think the door to the garage is wide open.
Oh, well, that's great.
Hello. I like those. You wearing lingerie?
I want you to see my new leggings.
Yeah, I'm right here.
Yeah, what do you think? Look.
Why did you get those?
You don't like it?
Yeah, I do, but like, why do you got those? You really gonna go outside and work out with those?
Yeah.
You're at.
What up, though? God bless the U.S. Postal Service. Oh, girl! When are these coming?
Today. Like them?
I love them.
You fancy pants.
What do you do? What?
What are those, butt pants? That's his ass.
Hey, babe.
What's he doing?
What are you doing?
Where you get them from?
Amazon? Amazon? You like them?
Trying to tell me something. What you about to do?
Wash dishes. I'm washing dishes.
No. Hey, the kids outside.
Stop it.
Come on. The
No.
kids outside. Why you wearing them? You don't just wear them to wash dishes, man. Turn around again. Man, you ain't wearing them just to wash dishes, man. Why you wearing them? The kids outside. Huh?
Boy, stop.
Crazy.
If you're like me and you kept seeing those videos about these ruffle leggings all over your For You page and you were like, I don't know if I should buy these or not, buy them. Just do it. They're so comfortable. And hold on, let me show you. Let me show you. Are you ready? I don't think you're ready, okay? Boom. Look at my butt. Just buy them. Okay, one more time. Look at that. Okay, I'm done.
So I got these leggings that everyone's talking about. So we're gonna try them on. Babe, so I got these leggings. What do you think of them? You like them? Really? For real? You like them?
give you the accentuation that makes it cute. Hi, Annie. Hey. You got booty. Okay. What are these?
You like them? Why don't you like them?
I mean, they're okay. Like for wear in the house. What did those for?
What's up? What'd you do?
Okay, just got these TikTok leggings in with the scrunched butt that's supposed to make you look amazing. Let's see what my husband says. Oh, I feel like we need a different angle. Let me try a lower angle and see what it looks like. Hey, Lovey. Come here.
Hey.
How's it going?
You're such a weirdo. How's it going today?
Oh.
All right. See you, pants.
Oh, what? Here, I'll put it right here. I'll just put it right here.
That shirt is so funny that your mom.
I'll put it right here. So I put this pillow right here. Ooh, these textured leggings, babe. Dang. This is like a little lizard skin. I want to touch it.
I got it for you.
Bro, I like them. This is like. Go right up your butt. Oh, yeah. Booty, booty, rocking over here.
Okay. Okay.
Hey.
You. Well, bam!
What?
Oh. Oh man, I love your butt boat. Wow. Company.
I don't know.
Well, we are investing in every single color. Take my money. Wow. So, can we normalize men wearing leggings? Because I look good, I feel good, and now I can do the bust it challenge.
Bust it.
Bust it. Bust it. Drop me a beat. Bust it. Bust it. Mm. I feel good and I look good, and you know it.
What?
What is that?
What is what? They're leggings.
What is it?
Why?
Looks like you're like a thong one.
You don't like them? What?
That's interesting. Where'd you get them at?
Amazon? They're workout leggings.
Nice. It literally looks like you have like one of like the 80s spandex with like.
Shorts off of Amazon, these white shorts. These are the kind of shorts that's supposed to make your booty pop. And I just saw them and I just thought they was cute. So I'm about to try them on and see what the mister will say about it.